bringing a horse like that into the mix.
I'm going to be
No,
showing
you
the
listen.
and tell you the
I'm trying to
ingredients
be calm.
that I
I'm
use.
trying to be civil.
And yeah,
I don't need
but
one
I'm
more
not going to
thing
be
on my plate.
It's not on your plate, it's on mine.
If it's on yours, it's on mine. I want that horse gone.
So here it is. So sticky. Which means I will most likely have to put it back in the freezer later.
I told you. I've been practicing.
Well, it shows.
Oh, eventually you'll be ready for the real thing. And when you are,
If I
we'll let you practice on that. But you got to be in here with somebody at all times. You hear me?
Okay, I get it.
Hey, cut me some slack.
But
I just want to send you home in one piece.
I have to go home.
But yeah.
What do you mean? You have to?
Mess.
Well, I was thinking.
And BTW, it looks so weird.
Maybe I can
And
hang
it's
out
not
here.
edited like a lot
I'll go to school in
of
Hudson.
videos are. It's because I'm using it on a phone.
Roll the
So I
rope.
take all my videos on a phone, not a camera.
That's it.
Yeah. So no hate.
Turn you into
please,
a
no
pro.
hate. So
Hey, you. Hi. Mom, what are you doing here?
here it is.
Did you see that I roped it? Yeah.
And
Wow, wait for me in the house?
I'm going to hopefully tie it soon.
Yeah. Just
I'm going to
wait in the house.
my dad with me. They've got good at it.
I want to talk to you.
So yeah.
He's got a gun.
get out. See, I don't have my glasses, so I can't see
Oh,
them.
come on, even without your glasses, you can see that there's a man pointing a gun at my son. There was illegal horse racing, criminals, and Shane was right in the middle of it. Were you even there?
No, and I have a reason.
Oh, really? I'd like to hear it.
Well, I have a racehorse that was hijacked on its way to its maiden race.
So yeah.
Police investigation. And you probably don't know this, but if you don't get involved in these investigations,
I don't care about your racehorse, Tim. How dare you put my son in danger?
our son.
And what were Ty and Amy thinking? They could have been killed.
Well, they weren't killed.
But they could have been. And how do I find out? On Facebook. I got a call from you
But if you
or
ever
from
wanted
Shane.
to, okay, so I used flour and water. That's all
Did you tell
need.
him that to tell me?
You gotta put about 4 spoonfuls of water and like
You know what? I was
that
an
much
idiot to
water?
trust you with that.
and it'll turn out
I
perfect
made a big mistake.
like that. And if you want, we're gonna just put food coloring, stir it, and
Miranda.
the stuff in the food coloring will actually help it
Shane,
set
come on,
good.
pack it up. We're going.
So once
What? We're going.
Miranda, what's going on here?
I'm taking Shane home. That's what's going on. No.
This is crazy.
Come on, I still have 2 weeks before school starts.
so yeah,
Shane.
but hold on.
Do as you're told.
I would have never
So
gotten
here it is.
But you did. And obviously you stayed even after you found out he was
He
there.
helped us. We couldn't have rescued those horses if it wasn't for him.
So rescuing horses is more important than the safety of my son?
All right. Miranda, you've had a long drive. Let's all just sit down like civilized people. We'll have some dinner and just let cooler heads.
And the only reason I'm not picking it up is because of the reason that it's so sticky. Because it's like super sticky, you guys. Yeah, but here's.
So,
stir
Why
it
are all
up.
the horses out in the field? Because I'm working with the new horse and he needs the barn to himself.
Not for long.
For as long as I need.
I told you I wanted him out. Period.
So how's that house of yours coming, Peter?
Good. So we started on the foundation.
We're building a house. Lou and Peter. It's not a construction site. You can stay there.
No, it's not.
It's a little late to leave. You strong? Guess we need to
So
talk.
here it is. Oh, yeah.
Well, it's a little late to drive. It'll be dark. So stay tonight, leave tomorrow.
No, I'm staying with you.
No, you're staying with your mother at the Dewbridge.
But we're leaving first thing in the morning.
Fine.
Guys, this is one of my collectible rocks. I just. And I show.
Yeah. No,
I'm
you
gonna
can enjoy any time.
a little bit of water in it.
miss that feeling of hope I had when all
Like
this started.
that much is all you need. Start to
Shame it ended so badly.
start
Doesn't
together.
end badly at all. Did the right thing bringing Shane here. I think it's turned out okay.
No, it hasn't. How can you say that?
Because it has. He's happy. He and I get along really well.
Sticky.
We've had some adventures.
Adventures.
Well, the truth is, I think he feels like a bit of a hero after saving those horses, and that is not a bad thing for a boy his age to feel. But, okay, I'm sorry. I mean, you have every reason to feel a little ticked off.
Ticked off? I'm a little more than ticked off. I can't tell you what happened to my stomach when I saw that video.
Well, Shane just put it together like the movie people with all the exciting and... Okay, I'm kidding. He loves it here. He loves riding, learning to rope.
Of course he loves it here. Who
Unsticky.
wouldn't? It makes home look boring. And that's something